Yo, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today I'm going to show you all how to get unbanned on Roblox or recover your account if you've been permanently banned or you got hacked or you just forgot your password, whatever, guys. So we're going to be doing this with the Roblox Plus Plus app, and it's actually really cool because with it, you're also able to fully recover your account and get it unbanned, plus get free Robux and many other cool features that I'm going to show you in this video how it works, guys, and then I'm going to show you all how to install it. So make sure you guys leave a like on the video and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Alright, everybody, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to install the Roblox Plus Plus app, which is going to allow you to unban your account and recover it. So like, let's say you forgot the password or you've been hacked or whatever. It doesn't matter the scenario. With the Roblox Plus Plus app, you're going to be able to get full access to your account without having to know the password or the email or whatever, guys. So all you're really going to need to do is just type in like a good guess of like what your last username was that you remember on the account. And you're going to see that there's an option here that says login without password. And the way this works is pretty cool because if we tap on it, you guys are going to see that it actually goes ahead and gives us full access to our account. And once again, this is with the Roblox Plus Plus app, guys. And the way this works is pretty cool. So even if you don't know the email or the password, it still logs you in because this is using like a different server from the main server that usually if you were to type in your username and no password, it's going to say something like, hey, you didn't type in any password as well. But with this app, it actually bypasses that and allows you to fully log back into the account. And as you guys can see, I have full access to my account once again, even though it's been banned in the past. So, previously it's been banned, and I was able to evade my ban completely with this app. So I'm going to show you guys how to install the Roblox Plus Plus app. Let's get right into it. First thing that we have to go ahead and do, guys, is just make sure that the device we're using is ready for the install of the app, and we just got to go ahead and change some settings on our mobile devices really quick. So if you're on iOS or Android, we're going to have to change some settings, but first I'll do the iOS device. So if you're on iOS, go ahead and open up the settings app. And then in settings, we're going to go ahead and look for where it says battery. So there's battery right there. Now, if you can't find it, you could always use the search bar at the top and just go ahead and type in battery like that. But we're going to go ahead and tap on battery right now. And then in battery, we're going to go ahead and make sure that you guys have the low power mode option turned off, just like how I have it right here. And once you guys have done that, oh, and by the way, you'll know it's off because your battery icon will not be like yellow. If it's on, your battery icon is going to be like yellow like that. So you guys are going to want to make sure you have that off, okay? But anyways, once you've done that, you're going to want to go over to General. And then in General, you're going to want to go over to the About section. And you guys are going to want to make sure that your software version is over 10 plus. So you got to make sure you have iOS 10 or over in order to do this tutorial. Now, if you have below iOS 10, like iOS 9 or iOS 8, which I'm sure most of you guys watching this video don't have that because that is so old. Like, if anyone actually is still using that in 2021, there's clearly something wrong with you. But anyways, guys, yeah, don't worry about that. But if that's the case, though, you could always upgrade your iPhone right now. It should take you a couple, like maybe 20 minutes or whatever, and then you can come back to the video. But anyways, guys, the last thing we have to change on our iOS device is the background app refresh setting. So tap on that. And then we're going to go ahead and tap on it and just make sure you guys have this turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. And that is going to be all the settings that we have to change on our iOS device. Now, if you guys happen to be on an Android phone, we also have to go ahead and do some settings changes. So go ahead and open up the settings app on your Android device. And you're going to want to go over to where it says battery. So as you all can see, battery is right there. We're going to go ahead and tap on that. And then in battery, there's going to be two settings that you guys are going to want to look out for and that we have to change. The first one is going to be battery, adaptive battery. You're just going to want to make sure you have that off. So as you can see, I have it off already. Then you're going to want to look for battery saver and make sure you guys have that off as well. Now, not all Android phones have these exact same settings that I just showcased right there. So if you can't find them on your Android phone, you can actually just skip that step instead of worrying about it. But anyways, now that we've made all those changes, guys, it is time we install the Roblox Plus Plus app onto our device. So how exactly are we going to install this app? Well, it's pretty simple, guys. It is a tweaked app, which means you will not be able to get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Like, you're not going to be able to find it on there. And you guys are probably thinking, like, how do you install it then? Well, it's actually going to be pretty simple, guys. Just open up your browser on your phone and go on over to this website called tweaklink.vip. So that's tweaklink.vip. And basically, this is like a tweaked app store that is fully web-based and free to use, but it's one of the best ones out there. So once you guys are on the site, come over here to the search bar on the site, and you're going to want to go ahead and type in to the search bar. We're going to go ahead and type in Roblox, and there it is, guys. So the one we want is Roblox Plus Plus, so it's going to say change username, get free Robux, and more. So we're going to go ahead and tap on that. Then you're going to see the start button like that, start injection or whatever. Just tap on that. And now all we got to do is just wait for this to load, guys. Give it about 10 to 20 seconds, and then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the install of the app, guys. But just make sure you keep on watching until the end of the video. There is like one last step that we have to complete that is super important, guys. So yeah, just keep on watching. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you do leave a like on the video and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. While we wait for this to load, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys what we have to go ahead and do next. Alright, so here we are, guys. Now it's going to fully load up, and then it's going to take us to this part of the install, which is going to say, please follow and complete the instructions of all the offers below. Once completed, the download will finish. So this is the last part of the install, guys. So before we can actually go ahead and get ourselves the Roblox++ app, we're going to have to complete all the offers here on this list, and once you do all of them, then we will be done. So to get started, tap on one of the apps, and then the instructions will pop up for that specific app, guys. What you're going to want to do is just read them. So this one is saying like download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this first app. Then once we do the first app, then we're going to want to head back to that page with all the other apps and do the rest of them. And after we have done all the apps, we're going to be pretty much done and have the Roblox++ installed, guys. So that's going to be it for the tutorial. I don't want to do the rest of the apps and make the video like very long or whatever. But yes, guys, that is going to be it. If you need any help, let me know in the comments below, guys. And see you in the next one. Peace out.